I feel like I haven't sat down here and recorded here for a while. I've usually just been at my desk. But today I wanted to do this really quick unboxing because I actually want to use these. But I got the Somic, I think is how you say that, Somic GS510 headphones. I just had to look that up because I cannot memorize that. And yeah, I got the wireless ones and I got the purple ones with the cute little ears. I've been wanting kind of a pair of these cat ear headphones for a while, and I looked them up and this seemed like the best option for what I was looking for. I knew I didn't want a pink set. I know that's like usually the standard like e-girl gamer pink cat ear headphones. I didn't want pink. I'm not huge on pink even though there's a bunch of pastel-y pink shit behind me right now, but I don't wear a lot of pink. But purple is like my favorite color that I wear a lot. Yeah, so I wanted a pair of purple cat ears. And I've actually never owned a pair of like headphones like this. I've only ever used like earbuds. So this is gonna be like my first official headset. It's kind of strange, but yeah, I got wireless ones because I didn't want to be like tethered to the computer. I wanted to be able to like step away and stuff. That was kind of one of the main reasons I didn't even want to use headphones, because I didn't want to be wired in. But yeah, so anyway, let's get into it. So, box. Man, they really taped the shit out of this. Okay, here we go. Oh, they're so cute. I'm so excited. Yeah, I wanted to film this so that I can actually, you know, start using them. But this box came here, like yesterday. Alright, here is the box. Cute. Okay, let's take this off. I like the little shiny like logo thing up here. Cute. Okay. Silica gel just fell out. Okay, so here they are. Oh! The other reason actually I was hesitant to buy headphones was because I wear glasses, and the ones that I have worn, they would like push on my glasses and they would like my head start to hurt because of it. But I did read a lot of reviews for this and someone did say that it works well with their glasses too. So we'll see how that feels. But there's also this little bag. The other reason that I chose this one is because the sides come with like these replaceable caps, and they're so cute. They're like little customizable. They're little kitties. Look, purple kitties. Ah. All right, I am going to take this out of the box now. Here we go. Without breaking them. Okay, awesome. Wow, these are hefty. But yeah, these things on the side, they pop off and you can replace them with the cats, which I think is so cute. Hold on, I want to do that like immediately. Is it just, yep. Oh, that's so simple. I love it. All right. Oh, and they're labeled too. Interesting. Okay. Oh, I think one of the magnets got stuck. Uh-oh. Well, that happened. Yeah, one of the magnets is stuck on this. Yo. That's fine. I'm not gonna use that one anyway, but that's not great. Anyway, let's pop this on. Ooh. How cute is that? Isn't that so much nicer? yeah, so they're just magnetic on the back, and interesting. Yeah, they have little magnets on the back, and they just like pop on. The magnet on this thing just came off, but yep, that's what the other one looks like inside, and it's labeled L on top. Pop. Oh, okay. All right. What is this? Some wires. Cool. And the instruction manual. Even this is purple. I love it. Okay, cool. Yeah, so I need to actually set this up on my computer and everything and see how well it works, but oh, it's labeled. That's great, because I would definitely mess that up. Although no, that's not true. One side is obviously the front and the other one's the back. I love that these light up. I saw a bunch of the cat ear headphones that didn't have light up ears, but I wanted the light up ones. I mean, if you're gonna spend the money, get the freaking light up ones, right? But okay, the inside also has these cute little illustrations, and it's labeled L and R for people like me. Okay, and on the back here there is the power button, mode, I guess like sound, the microphone. Yeah, it turns on the microphone, and then like volume. Power, mode, mic, and volume. Cool. It's simple. And then this, yep, this comes right out. Wow, that's long. Yeah, I don't know honestly if I will be using that, because I do have a standalone mic, which is probably better than this, but we will see. I'll test it out. Alright. Ooh. That's nice. Oh, that feels so weird, because I can barely hear myself talking when I have these on. These are wow. Yeah, they really muffle everything else around you, so that's good. They're so cute. Oh my god, I love these. Okay, wow. So far they feel pretty comfy with my glasses and everything, so that's good. They're so cute. Ooh. 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 Whoa. That's cool. Oh wow. Does it? Okay, so that's so strange. On the camera, I don't know if that's how it's recording too, but on the camera it's like flashing. It's not doing that in real life. It's just a solid fade, so that's super weird. I don't know why it's recording like that. Oh my god. Okay. I need to go actually plug these in and test these out, see how the sound is. So I guess I'll be back and tell you how that goes. Okay, I just set these up with my computer and they work and everything. I had to like update some drivers because I was gonna record from my OBS and all of a sudden it was telling me there was an error, so it was a whole thing. But yeah, so they do work. They sound good. The microphone works. I think the Blue Snowball mic, the standalone mic I have, is just overall better quality, so I think I'm just gonna probably keep using that. But if for whatever reason I ever want to, like, I don't know, step away from my desk and still keep talking to people, then theoretically I can use the mic on there and it's still like decent. I'll probably get on Discord at some point and test it out and see what other people think. If they like this better or the Blue Snowball, I assume they'll probably like the Blue Snowball better, but so that all works, so that's great. I am a little confused about the mode button right now. That's the one that changes the colors on it. Cause I don't know if I'm doing it wrong or what, but I seem to be like clicking on it and it's like not changing until it all of a sudden decides to change, so I don't know I don't know what's going on with that. Okay, I'm kind of dumb, and I actually went back and looked it up. The mode button on the back is not for changing the colors, it's for changing to game mode, live mode, or audio mode, which I'm not quite sure what the difference is between the three, but I did notice that when you click on it, the color of the light on the back changes to indicate which mode it's in. So yeah, I guess the colors do just change whenever they feel like, which, I don't know, I kind of wish I could change them myself. It's kind of frustrating that there's no, like, you can't really customize it, you know? But yeah, I don't really know what the difference between the three modes is, honestly. So I guess we'll see when I use these, whenever I actually use them to stream. I'm gonna pay attention to like how the color changes and stuff. But yeah, like I'm clicking on it right now to see if anything changes, and still pink. Yeah, how do the colors change then? Alright. Okay, I don't know, I didn't think I did anything differently, but I just switched it again to audio mode, and now the colors are changing, like fading from one color into another. But I don't, how is that different from like everything else? I don't know. Let me click it again, let's see what happens. Okay, game mode, or no, that's live. Okay, the next one is live mode, so click live mode. It's still changing colors. Okay, click again, that's game mode. Still changing colors. And it should be back to audio. Yeah, does it just decide randomly when it wants to do this? I don't get it. Okay, so I was just reading some reviews, and I did discover something that isn't the best, which is, so they do give you a pair of, like an aux cable that you can use to plug in, to wire them in, but the lights then don't work if you use it. Look. Alright, so here's the lights. Plug this in, and then immediately turns off. That's kind of annoying. I don't like that. I really wish that wasn't a thing they had to do. I don't understand why it would be, like, made like that. I mean, I don't really intend to use this, really, anyway, so, like, that's fine, whatever. But that is kind of a strange way of making these headphones, I guess. I don't get why they would make the lights do that when you use this, but oh well. It also doesn't really make sense to me that like the modes don't make sense to me, and like how the colors change don't make sense to me. So that's like, I don't know, it's just weird. But like other than that, I do really like these, and I do like that the colors do change. There's just seems like no way to really control that. But yeah, overall, I think they're really cute. I love the design. I love that you can put these cute little cat magnet thingies on here. That's what it looks like underneath, by the way. It's just the whole light. And yeah, I've never owned a pair of headphones before. Sorry. Oh, it's green again. So I don't really know what to compare it to, but I like it so far. We'll see how it is when I actually use it to stream and play games and everything, but it's really, really cute. I think the only other thing I was gonna say is when I originally looked up these headphones, I saw them on Amazon, and then I looked up the company like separately. I looked up their website, and I saw they had like a couple of these different versions of these that they sell, and I think it was actually cheaper on their website. So just, yeah, I would say check both if you're gonna be buying these. Yeah, but other than that, they're comfy. These are really, really soft, and so far it hasn't hurt me to be wearing these with my glasses, so that's a big plus. Okay, I'm just gonna end this video because I really have nothing else to say about this, but yeah. This is my little unboxing for the Somic oh my gosh, what is it? G6510. This was the purple ones, and they are the wireless ones. So yeah, they do have an option to be wired, but I don't think I'm gonna use it. And they're supposed to last for 10 hours, which is more than enough for me. I don't think I'm ever gonna be on here for like 10 hours at a time. Yeah, but let me know if you like this video, and if you did, please leave me a like. I know this isn't like my usual content or whatever, but I did want to do a little unboxing of this, and because I do also stream from time to time on Twitch. I haven't streamed much lately because there's just been so much going on, but I do plan on using these the next time I go to stream again. Before I got these, I actually looked them up on YouTube to see if anyone else has made any videos of them, and people have, but I think I didn't find any on like specifically the wireless ones that I was gonna get. But anyway, so I kind of wanted to contribute to that. So yeah, I don't do much gaming content on my YouTube channel, but I do all kinds of artsy things, so if you like any of that and you aren't subscribed yet, you should subscribe. Other than that, check me out on Twitch. Like I said, I haven't streamed too much lately, but I do plan on getting back into it again soon. I just kind of got off track for a little bit, but I used to be on there every week, at least like 1 or 2 days. I know a lot of people stream a lot more, but I'm just like on every social media, so it's hard to keep up with all of it. But yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling and end this video and go work on something else now. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope I see you on the next video. Bye.